Going viral, it's the dream, right? Every YouTube creator fantasizes about that one video that catapults them to internet stardom. It's the ultimate goal, the pinnacle of success in the digital world. Millions of views, subscribers pouring in, your content reaching every corner of the internet. Imagine the thrill of seeing your subscriber count skyrocket overnight, the excitement of knowing that your work is being appreciated by people all around the globe. It's the ultimate validation for a YouTube creator, an award, a plaque, a symbol of your hard work and creativity being recognized. It's a moment of pride, a testament to your dedication and passion. But how do you actually make it happen? How do you turn that dream into reality? It's a question that haunts every aspiring YouTuber. The truth is, there's no magic formula. There's no secret recipe that guarantees virality. It's a mix of art and science, luck and strategy, but there are strategies you can use to significantly increase your chances. It's about playing smart, understanding the platform and knowing your audience. It's about understanding what makes people click, watch and share. It's about tapping into the psychology of your viewers, knowing what excites them, what makes them curious, what compels them to hit that share button. It's about creating content that resonates, sparks conversation and leaves a lasting impact. Content that people can't help but talk about, that they feel compelled to share with their friends and family. Think of it like this. Every view, every like, every comment is a vote for your content. Each interaction is a signal to YouTube that your video is worth watching. The more votes you get, the more YouTube's algorithm takes notice and the more it pushes your video out to a wider audience. It's a snowball effect, where each interaction leads to more visibility and more visibility leads to more interactions. That's the power of virality. It's the ability to reach millions, to have your content spread like wildfire across the internet. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of viral YouTube success? Let's dive in. We'll explore the tips, tricks and strategies that can help you create content that not only gets views but also engages and inspires. From understanding the algorithm to crafting compelling thumbnails and titles, we'll cover it all. Get ready to take your YouTube game to the next level. You've poured your heart and soul into creating an amazing video. Now you need to make sure people actually click on it. That's where thumbnails come in. Think of your thumbnail as your video's movie poster. It's the first thing viewers see, and it needs to grab their attention instantly. A strong thumbnail is visually appealing, high quality, and accurately represents the content of your video. Use bright colors, bold fonts, and intriguing imagery. Consider incorporating close-ups of faces, as people are naturally drawn to them. Don't be afraid to experiment with different designs and see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, your thumbnail is your first opportunity to make a great impression, so make it count. Your thumbnail might be the first thing viewers see, but your title is what truly piques their interest. It's the hook that makes them want to learn more. A compelling title is concise, intriguing, and accurately reflects the content of your video. Use strong verbs, numbers, and questions to create a sense of urgency and curiosity. For example, instead of how to bake a cake, try bake the perfect cake every time with these 5 easy tips. Remember, your title should be clear and easy to understand while also generating enough intrigue to encourage clicks. It's a delicate balance, but when done right, it can make all the difference. You've got a great thumbnail and a killer title. People are clicking on your video. Now what? Engagement is key to keeping viewers hooked and encouraging them to share your content. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Respond to comments, ask questions, and foster a sense of community. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to share your video with their own networks. Think of it like a snowball effect. The more engagement your video receives, the more YouTube's algorithm recognizes it as valuable content, and the more it promotes it to a wider audience. Section 5, Keywords, speaking YouTube's language. Imagine trying to find a book in a library without knowing its title or author. You'd be wandering aimlessly through endless shelves, hoping to stumble upon the right one by sheer luck. That's what it's like trying to rank your video on YouTube without using keywords. It's a frustrating and often fruitless endeavor, leaving you feeling lost in a sea of content. Keywords are the terms people use to search for videos on YouTube. They are the bridge between what users are looking for and the content you provide. By incorporating relevant keywords into your video title, description and tags, you're essentially telling YouTube what your video is about and who it's for. This helps YouTube's algorithm understand and categorize your content, making it easier for viewers to find. Do your research and identify keywords that are relevant to your content and have a decent search volume. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, RFs, and TubeBuddy can be invaluable in this process. Use a mix of broad and long-tail keywords to target a wider audience. Broad keywords can attract a large number of viewers, while long-tail keywords can help you reach a more specific niche audience. Remember, YouTube's algorithm is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest SEO best practices. Regularly updating your knowledge and adjusting your strategy can keep your content relevant and discoverable. Additionally, analyzing your YouTube analytics can provide insights into which keywords are driving traffic to your videos. This data can help you refine your keyword strategy over time. Planning your content calendar with keyword research in mind can also be beneficial. By aligning your content with trending topics and popular search terms, you can increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. Engaging with your audience through comments and community posts can also provide keyword ideas. Pay attention to the language your viewers use and incorporate those terms into your content. Ultimately, mastering the art of keyword research and optimization can significantly boost your YouTube channel's visibility and growth. So take the time to learn and apply these strategies and watch your channel thrive. Section 6. Case studies. Learning from the best. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of YouTube channels that have cracked the viral code. Channels like Dude Perfect, Mr. Beast, and Liza Koshy have amassed millions of subscribers and billions of views by consistently creating engaging, shareable content. What do these channels have in common? They understand their target audience, they create high-quality content that is both entertaining and informative. And they are masters of social media marketing. By studying the strategies of successful YouTube creators, you can gain valuable insights into what works and adapt those tactics to your own channel. Section 7, Lights, Camera, Action. Your viral journey starts now. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, the path to viral success is paved with creativity, strategy, and a bit of luck. So you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level and create content that goes viral. It's an exciting journey, but it requires dedication and a clear plan. Here are some actionable steps you can take. Define your niche. This is the foundation of your channel. Knowing your niche helps you target the right audience and create content that resonates with them. What are you passionate about? Passion drives creativity and keeps you motivated. When you love what you do, it shows in your content and attracts viewers who share your interests. What unique perspective can you offer? In a sea of content, your unique voice and perspective are what will set you apart. Think about what makes your viewpoint special and how you can present it in an engaging way. Create high-quality content. Invest in good equipment, write engaging scripts, and edit your videos professionally. High-quality visuals and sound can significantly enhance the viewer's experience and keep them coming back for more. Optimize your videos for search. This means using relevant keywords, writing compelling titles and descriptions, and creating custom thumbnails that grab attention. SEO is crucial for getting your videos discovered. Use relevant keywords, write compelling titles and descriptions, and create custom thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see, so make sure they are eye-catching and accurately represent your content. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on all your social media platforms, engage with your followers, and run contests and giveaways. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching a wider audience and building a community around your channel. Share your videos on all your social media platforms, engage with your followers, and run contests and giveaways. Engaging with your audience builds loyalty and encourages them to share your content with others. Collaborate with other creators. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche and collaborate on videos. Collaborations can introduce your channel to new audiences and provide fresh content ideas. Be patient and consistent. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Consistency in uploading and maintaining the quality of your content is key to retaining and growing your audience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused on your goals and keep improving your content. Keep creating great content and promoting your channel, and eventually you will start to see success. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, and keep pushing forward. Your viral journey is just beginning. Remember, going viral is not just about luck, it's about creating content that people want to watch and share. So get out there, create something amazing, and watch your views soar.